Make a great choice today with the 2018 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: quad seating, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, traction control, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, moonroof, power steering. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.